If you're looking to optimize your referral program using PartnerStack, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to the software or already familiar with its features, this quick guide will help you leverage PartnerStack to take your referral program to the next level. PartnerStack is one of the most powerful tools available for managing affiliate and referral programs. It gives you the ability to set up and track everything from referrals to payments, all within one platform. And the best part? You can start using it completely free from the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses to get you started. Now, let's dive into how you can optimize your referral program with PartnerStack. First off, to make the most of PartnerStack, ensure that your referral program is easy to join. One of the keys to a successful referral program is having a simple, user-friendly sign-up process. PartnerStack allows you to create a seamless experience for your affiliates, meaning they can get started quickly without any confusing steps. The easier it is for your partners to join, the more referrals you'll get. Next, think about how you're structuring your rewards. PartnerStack lets you offer flexible reward models, whether you're offering a percentage of sales, a flat fee per lead, or tiered rewards that increase as your partners hit milestones. The best part is that you can customize these rewards based on the performance of individual affiliates. This creates a sense of progression and motivates affiliates to work harder. When it comes to tracking performance, PartnerStack's dashboard is a game changer. You can monitor the progress of each affiliate in real time, see how much revenue they've generated, and track commissions, all from a central dashboard. This means you can quickly identify top performers and focus your efforts on nurturing those relationships. Additionally, the software gives you detailed reports, so you can always stay on top of your referral program's effectiveness. Don't forget about communication. PartnerStack includes tools to automate emails, reminders, and updates, so you never lose touch with your affiliates. Whether it's informing them of new offers, sending personalized messages, or updating them on their commission status, keeping affiliates engaged is crucial. By doing this, you'll improve retention and boost the overall success of your program. PartnerStack also integrates with other tools you may already be using, such as your CRM and email marketing software. This means you don't need to manage everything manually, as PartnerStack will handle much of the back-end work. By syncing your tools, you ensure that your referral program runs smoothly without the need for extra effort on your part. Lastly, don't forget about PartnerStack's marketplace. This feature allows you to connect with other companies that may help enhance your referral program. By accessing PartnerStack's marketplace, you can find partners that align with your brand, expanding your program's reach and effectiveness. It's a great way to expand your network and grow your affiliate base. Now, as you can see, PartnerStack is incredibly versatile, offering everything you need to build and optimize your referral program. You can start using it for free today by clicking the link in the description below. And remember, this video also includes an exclusive extended trial to help you get started with all the features you need. Don't miss out on the chance to supercharge your referral program. Start optimizing it with PartnerStack now.